Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, قد جاءكم بصائر من ربكم فمن أبصر فلنفسه ومن عمي فعليها وما أنا عليكم بحفيظ. Translation: Enlightenment with clear proofs has come to you from your Rabb. So whoever sees and understands, it is for good benefit to his own soul, and those who remain blind will do so to harm themselves. And I am not the guard to watch over you. Meaning that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not visible to our eyes as mentioned in the last ayah, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has shown us so many signs around us and also in our own selves that if we ponder, we will get the ma'rifat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and will get to the truth and to the straight path. And those who use their eyes to see these things and use their heart to ponder on these things, this creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they will get to the right path, to the correct path, to the truth. But those who remain carefree and don't bother to ponder on the surroundings, on the universe, and also they don't ponder on within themselves, they remain in the darkness and they are as if they have closed their own eyes, that they are seeing the things but they are not trying to get to the depth of the things, and they do not get the ma'arifah, they do not get the understanding and closeness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and in doing so, this is their own harm. They are not harming anyone else. And also very important to understand that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's duty or any other prophet's duty is not to force the public and people around them towards the truth. Their duty was to give the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to give the ayahs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and let the people ponder on them and connect to the truth. So the prophets are not the guards towards the people. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and make us firm on Tawheed and give us the vision so that we can see through the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to get the closeness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and to get to the truth. Ameen. Akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalam.